You're creeper.
I'm really cold. When I get really, I need to bite it. I'm gonna bite her. I'm gonna bite your camera and break it in half.
Why are you so weird?
Woody. Is Bayo hot?
It's Bea.
Bea? Is that a girl?
No.
Bea? Bea? Bea, are you good looking?
Jared,
What?
Alyssa wants to know if Bea's good looking.
Shut up. I'm Frank phone call from
Dude! Did you hear him tell me to shut up?
Woody hung up on me. You hear me prank phone call?
Yeah. Is Bea good looking? Alyssa wants to know.
No, shut up.
I don't want to know. Alyssa does.
I don't care. You don't ask me that. You figure out by yourself.
Do you see how mean he is to me? Okay, you're not acting weird anymore. I'm gonna shut this
Don't
off.
ask me that.